Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Stash in VS Code. We'll cover creating, applying, and managing your Stash changes directly within the editor's interface. Git Stash is a powerful tool for temporarily saving your uncommitted work, allowing you to switch contexts without losing progress. This helps maintain a clean working directory and keeps your development workflow smooth and organized. To create a stash, navigate to the source control view in VS Code. Click the three-dotted menu, then select Stash or Stash, Include Untracked from the options. You'll be prompted to enter a message, which is helpful for remembering the stash's purpose. After confirming, your modified files will be saved, and your working directory will revert to its last committed state, ready for new tasks. Applying a stash is straightforward. In the source control view, look for the Stashes section. You can right-click on a specific stash to see options like Apply Stash or Pop Stash. Apply keeps the stash in your list, while Pop applies it and then removes it. If conflicts occur, VS Code will guide you through resolving them, ensuring your code integrates correctly. Managing your stashes is crucial for an organized workflow. The source control view allows you to see all your stashed items, often with their associated messages. You can right-click on any stash to view its changes, drop it individually, or even clear all stashes at once. This flexibility helps you keep your stash list tidy and ensures you only retain the temporary changes you truly need.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.